What's up, everybody? Master King Chef J right here, and I appreciate y'all watching. Got a special treat for you today. We are doing lemon pepper shrimp. I know y'all know about the lemon pepper wings, but we ain't doing them today. We are doing lemon pepper shrimp. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Now we are always getting flavors every day of the week. Shout out to Chef Jaden, he done saved you a seat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and go and put on repeat. And now wait. Take out your seasoning and make it rain on that thing. This the type of cooking make him buy you a ring. Don't compare Chef J, cause he ain't the same. And that's for real though, you know the deal though. And I know you probably heard it through the grapevine, that everything that he makes, it is straight fire. Lobster macaroni to the crab cake and the ribeye. Super Bowl videos, go get ready for the fish fry. Or some Nashville hot chicken for some kickback, Or some Henny hot wings just to get slapped, He moving up to greater things, ain't no get back, He the best of everything, Chef Gerard the Master King.
All right, guys, so as you can see here, I got the big jokers right here. These big old 21, 25 big shrimp right there. And all that means it takes 21 to 25 shrimp to make a pound. So if you got 16 20s, it takes 16 to 20 shrimp to make a pound. So the bigger the number, the bigger the shrimp. But anyway, make sure you always cleaning the vein of shrimp, right? I mean, that's just automatic. Sometimes I might not say it, but it's automatic. What you do is you take a knife, you split it, you pull it out, you wash it off, right? So now I got the shrimp right here. All I'm gonna do is just season a little bit. And you know, y'all know how I always do. I make it rain on that thing, right? So I put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna keep it simple because most of the flavor is going to be in the sauce, the lemon pepper sauce of the shrimp. So I'm gonna season these up and I'm gonna show you guys what we got going next. All right, so we got the shrimp seasoned, right? I got some buttermilk. And here, I have some cornmeal and flour that I seasoned. And just season it with some salt and pepper. And at this point, if you want to put a little bit of lemon pepper in there, go ahead and put the lemon pepper in there, all right? Just a little bit, okay? Now, here's the buttermilk. I'm gonna add some hot sauce to the buttermilk. Why, you ask? You already know, because we are always building flavors. You got it, right? So I take the hot sauce, I add it to the buttermilk, right? And then I take these beautiful scrimps. Yeah, I say it's scrimps. Take these beautiful shrimp and I put them in the buttermilk. And I'm gonna let that sit in there for about 10 minutes so it can get nice and marinated. After that sit for 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back, we gonna bread the shrimp, and I'll meet y'all over there by the deep fryer. All right, so there's a few different ways that you can, present this, right? So you wanna be fancy, you wanna keep the tail on, right? You go ahead and take a knife and you split it and butterfly it like that. I should have showed y'all that. I'll show y'all next time. All right, then you take the shrimp, right? Into the breadcrumb flour mixture. And the ratio for that is 50-50. Actually, for this ratio, it's 75-25 because I want them to be a little crispy because we're gonna add a little sauce to it. Sauce. Now, you see that? I take it and I just flatten it out, right? And this right here, you get a nice big old breaded shrimp, right? So that's one way you can do it. Or, if you having a little get together and you just want to fry the shrimp up, you take the shrimp just like this without the tail and you just toss it in there and you just coat it real good. That's it. Real easy. So you got this way right here and then you got the regular way just like this here. So I'm gonna continue to bread these up. I got several in there with the tail on and I got some in there because I didn't know exactly how I was gonna plate this. And go ahead and bread these up. Once these get breaded, and you just toss them in there real lightly. You just want to make sure the shrimp is completely covered in the breadcrumbs, but actually in the cornmeal and the flour, right? Once you put that in there, you set it to the side. I'm gonna bread all these up. Once we get it breaded, we're gonna fry them. Then I'm gonna show you how to make that lemon pepper sauce. Camera guy, man, that's a lot of scrimps I had to do, man. I got about 20 of these big old jokers right here. All right, so now we get ready to make, the sauce for the lemon pepper shrimp, right? I almost said chicken because everybody's used to eating lemon pepper chicken, but we're doing the shrimp. So I got 4 ounces or 8 ounces of salted butter. All I'm gonna do is just heat this up in the microwave, let it melt down, and then I'm gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice and then I'll add the seasonings, all right? I also got some lemon pepper seasoning. Now, Of course, you can make your own lemon pepper seasoning. I'll do a video of that at some point later on in the future. But whatever lemon pepper seasoning you like, I'm pretty sure we all got lemon pepper seasoning in our cabinet. So whatever lemon pepper seasoning you like, that's what you use. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Once this is all melted, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna be ready to rock and roll. So don't go anywhere. Yeah. All right, so take this out of the microwave because it's nice and hot. Now, I'm gonna take some fresh lemon juice, right? And I'm, catch the seeds. You don't wanna have the seeds in your sauce, right? So, add this fresh lemon juice to it. And I'm gonna do a whole lemon. That should give me like 3 or 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, right? And you see right here, I'm able to catch the seeds. Put the seeds to the side. And just squeeze another lemon in there. Man, this lemon pepper shrimp is gonna be so fire. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be fire. Y'all hear me? All right, so I got that in there, right? Got my seeds in my hand. I'm gonna throw the seeds away. Now, we're gonna start building these flavors like we do, right? So I'm gonna put a little lemon pepper seasoning in there, right? Boom. I'm gonna take some chopped parsley, put that in there, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic. You know what? I like garlic. I'm gonna put a little bit of more garlic up in that thing, right? Put some garlic in there, right? We stir this up. Oh man, you see that right there? That's that goodness right there, right? That's gonna make that lemon pepper. Now, we got that going. Y'all walk with me over here to this fryer. If you don't have a fryer, you do it in a shallow pan, all right? All right, we're gonna put these shrimps in here. And what we're gonna do is let these things cook to that golden brown. I'm gonna cook them a little harder or a little longer than usual because I'm gonna toss them in that lemon pepper butter, all right? Once these cook for about, I'm gonna say about 3, maybe even 4 minutes, all right? And then we're gonna put this thing together. Don't go anywhere. Woo! Camera guy, you see these scripts right here, boy? Hey, y'all check that out, right? That right there is what we call perfection, ladies and gentlemen. You feel me? All right, so I'm gonna take these scrimps out. And usually I tell y'all, put a line on that paper towel so it can drain. Not this time, because this is all about the flavor building, right? So I'm gonna take that right there, right? Take some of those scrimps. Take some of that butter with the lemon pepper. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know. Make it rain on that. Dang, y'all see that right there? Now that's lemon pepper right there, right? Take a little bit of chopped parsley, bam. Take a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, bam. And then we're gonna toss this together like this here. Y'all hear that crispiness? Y'all listen. Yeah, y'all hear it, right? So we toss those shrimps in that right there, man. I know y'all had the lemon pepper wings before, but wait till you have these lemon pepper shrimp, right? And all we're gonna do is just put them on the plate, man. Listen, I'm gonna plate this for y'all, and then, of course, I'm gonna taste it for y'all, but y'all stick around, man, because we ain't done yet. Woo, 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 woo. Hold on. I had to taste it before I'm done, cause I was hold on. All right, I'm gonna do now. Take some of that lemon pepper butter. You know what I'm saying? Drizzle it like that, though. Get it with a little bit of parsley around the edges like that. Chef get excited when it's good. You know what I'm saying? Man, I gotta put the lemon on here somewhere. Now, you see this grilled lemon right here? I just don't do it for show. I kind of do, but I don't, right? This flavor right here that it gives, the grilled lemon, it gives it a different kind of flavor, the lemon juice. It gives it like a smoky type flavor. It is so fire. All right, man, we almost done with this thing. I'm gonna stick that right there like that, right? I don't got nothing else to do to it. There y'all got it right there. That's these. Chef J. Rod's beautiful. Lemon, pepper, scrimps, y'all. Hey, I think we had 94, we almost at 95,000 subscribers. Y'all know how crazy that is? I started out about 4 years ago in an apartment, shooting videos. My baby was in the other room, and I was talking real quiet. And we are now at 94,000 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my videos, all right? Man, these are so fire. We don't take pictures, we do what we do. When we come back, I'm gonna tell y'all again how fire they are. Don't go anywhere. All right, here go the good part. Now, I done tasted these things already, man. So I just took the concept of lemon pepper shrimp, or lemon pepper wings, and applied it to the lemon pepper shrimp. Of course, I had to make the bread a little bit more crispier so the sauce and the lemon pepper can stick to it. I already tasted, I already told y'all they're fire. They are straight fire. But yo, I got a special guest. Y'all already know from my intro who it is. Well, you might not know who it is, but y'all know who this is. This is Miss Tish.
Hey.
This is the rapper right here. You know, she got her own thing. I want you to tell them about where they can get some of your stuff from.
All my music is on all streaming platforms. You can follow me on social media. Well, Instagram, it's CEO Tish. Twitter, at I am Letitia. And that's about it.
Hey man, she got it, man. She's very talented. But since I got you here, you know what I mean? I need you to go ahead and taste these lemon pepper shrimps. You know, dip them in a little sauce or whatever. That's just some ranch dressing right there. And then tell people what you think. Man, I heard that crunch all the way over here.
Yes. This is so good. I thought I got it all in my mouth.
That's the whole point, right? Man, listen, I don't eat ranch dressing, but man, listen, man. Y'all see up? Y'all see up? See the smoke coming on? So, you get the flavors, right? You know, we kept it simple with shrimp because we didn't want to take away from the lemon pepper. The buttermilk helps break it down, make it nice and moist. Put a little hot sauce in that buttermilk. Then we season it. But that right there, that butter with that lemon pepper, what you think about that?
Then I don't know what it's just good for real.
This is fire right here, y'all. This is straight fire. Yeah, one time, I want to say thank you. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, 95,000. I appreciate you for lending me your talent.
Thank you.
Awesome job on that.
Thank you.
Y'all follow her, y'all go cop her music. Tell me one more time where to get it from.
You're gonna get it on all streaming platforms. You can look up Tish, Mixed Emotions. That's probably the easiest way to find it.
Yeah, I heard it. Hey guys, remember, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.